Hello my beautiful collective, welcome to my channel, Goddess of Light 1111. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning subscribers, welcome back. This reading is for my lovely beautiful collective, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter. Thank you God, thank you universe, universal energy, spirit guide, archangels, guardian angels, ascended masters. Please give my lovely beautiful collective a clear, precise, honest message for their highest good. Thank you so much, guys, for all your support, your like, your share, your comments. I appreciate it. And I'm sending you guys tons of love, light, peace, and healing energies, okay? Some of you might be listening to Michael Jackson, Heal the World. It's a hard night life. Whatever. Okay, some of you going through it, some of you are happy. I'm sending much more happiness to you guys. Okay, stay positive no matter what's going on. Stay positive, okay? Because if you are alive, that means you are winning. So stay positive. Ooh, strictly by the book. And we have why. Someone is asking why orphanated, the higher power. So I like these energies, you know, despite the why, strictly by the book. Someone is asking, you know, why. Someone could be have like an ancestor that is very ancient. Somebody is trying to do, somebody might be doing some type of spell work to get something to go their way, but it's not by the book here. I felt like the universe step and might be say, I cannot make this up. Look at this card, guys. Tell me what you guys see, right? We have Justice, 38, 11, and we have also 11 here. I cannot make this up. The higher power say, this ain't gonna work. Whatever this is, someone is asking why. Why is it not working? Someone is using ancient magic, you know, whatever they are doing, you can see here. Someone, whatever they are doing is not working and they're asking why. But the higher power, the universe saying, no, baby, this is my show. I run this. And I felt like, you know, those of you that just trust the universe. You are not alone. You are not alone. Look at, you see this, how beautiful this card here is? We have 11 here, 11 here. It's like, wow. Let's say keep all of them. Someone doing something for justice to whatever this person is doing, whatever this, yeah, look at that, a leg up, okay. Hey. Spirit got you guys back, the high of got you guys back, you know. Laughs, enjoy. That's number 7. So 11, 7, you know what that means, right? So it's okay. Even if you guys feeling alone, just look at the bigger picture. See yourself in everyone and loving everyone in every situation, and laugh. Create something. I don't care what is it. Where's your vibration? Luck is on your side. You have no moon in Sagittarius. You are never alone. We have prosperity lies ahead. No one in Taurus. Ooh, this is good. Your commitment has been tested. It's in a reverse. This is beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay? This is not, you guys are doing just fine. Yes, step out of your comfort zone. Not no. Hello. Yeah, I'm definitely getting here. You guys, stay positive. Stay positive. I know, stay positive is not a very it's not a very easy thing to do. I know healing is hard. I know, but there's different part of healings. So you have look at a bigger picture. I said that already. So waxing crescent moon might mean something to you guys. Beautiful transformation because you guys are on your north node. I like it. I like it. Okay. So you have surrender. I can release my need to control things. Yeah, let go, let go and let God go with the flow. Okay. We have success. Once you let go and surrender to the divine, and success coming for you guys. I saw humor was trying to come out, and we have growth. Like I say, surrender to the divine. Whatever that once you guys surrender, success, and then that's bringing you guys growth. I feel like whatever this is for you, we have loneliness also. So again, I say you guys are not. Look at, I saw these cards in advance without even. So we have humor. Choose to focus on the lighter side of, laugh a bit. It's okay. It's okay to laugh. It's okay to enjoy. It's okay to, because I feel like, someone could be in denial, or at least that's what, someone might want you guys feel. Because you got service, you guys also got abundance. Good house. Right. So, okay. So we have the eye chakra is open. Third eye chakra is open. Yes. Wow. So we have third eye chakra is open. Crown chakra is open. Okay, guys. We also have judgment here. Look at these cards. I'll take judgment. Because someone might be conflicts. Someone might be under judge. So you guys using your crown chakra. Your third eye chakra is open. Your crown chakra is open. You can't go wrong. But someone is under judgment for creating some type of conflicts here. But I feel like you guys like, okay, you know what? Bring it in. You guys are waiting for, wearing your armor. You waiting because some of you, we have the Hierophant here. We have the Hierophant, dreams come true. Someone could be, whomever, teacher, student, guru. So this is my, your wish, for some of you here. You have Eight of Swords. Yeah, standing your ground. Someone might be, want you guys to not being confident. Someone might be also try for you guys to juggle, not be confident, but Spirit is say stand your ground. You guys, the path is clear for you to move forward. So you're helpless and hopeless. You can see the sunshine. The word is clear. Nothing is holding you back. So the path is clear here. You got a wish fulfillment to be a spiritual leader, a guru. This is what, you know, you are being guided. Some type of master here. The teacher is the master. Holy Spirit, Spirit Guide, what is the message you have for the collective? Official person on offense. We have privileged lady. We have coffins in the reverse. We have journey in the reverse that's come out, and we have courtship in the reverse that's coming out. You know, I'm getting, you know, like I say, whomever this is, they're under judgment for creating conflicts anyway. So we have imprisonment. Someone is trying to create some type of, you know, ending, but at the same time they might be, you know, trying to not. The coffin is in the reverse. Someone is like, no, you know, it isn't true. Someone is going to try to defend themselves. You know, I feel like this, the official person is on the fence about this privileged lady, you know, because they're not ending something, and this person worry about some type of imprisonment. Yeah, we have courtship journey, mature woman, we have expectation here. So whatever this is, it has something to do with someone is trying to steal, you know. Look at this thief. I feel like you have, oh, okay, there you go. Someone is in despair. Someone is in despair. Okay, we have community, we have lovers, we have occupation. This is about, you know, working together here. A thief tried to, you know, steal something here. Someone's sudden wealth. Whatever that sudden wealth could be, an inheritance. It could be anything here. Someone is trying to steal here. But whatever this is, someone know that, you know, they might be end up going to prison, and whatever this is, you know, and they are on the fence here because they are in despair. Because somebody here, they might be trying to, we have, okay, so we have wealthy men, message, despair. So somebody in here might be also, you know, spying, and then report it to a wealthy man in the community here. Because somebody is definitely trying to steal something from somebody here. We have the lovers, and the lovers could be a contract. Someone could have some type of contract, whomever this is, in the community about someone work. Someone could be trying to steal some type of inheritance here. Okay. Which card do we use? We use, okay. We have Three of Pentacles. Love begin. Spiritual strength. I'm hearing spirit say be strong. Yep. We have the universe come out. Holy Spirit, what is the message you have? Okay. We ain't doing this. Wow. The devils manipulate crown chakras to end it something. The devil is using, yeah, that's the truth. Stand your ground. So we have stand your ground here. We did death here. You know, definitely getting like something isn't, you know, something isn't over, but like I say, someone knows that, you know, they are trying, you know, but someone is definitely creating, this is like having, like, you know, a stalemate, because they know they know that, you know, they might be going to prison here. That's what I'm getting. So spirit says stand your ground. Yeah, you have trap and fear, so you guys need to stand your ground. And I speak your truth. We have 4 swords. Yeah, someone is definitely create some type of, you know, conflicts and defeat. Wow. They might be feeling defeated. Two of Pentacles in a reverse. I mean, on coming on the fence. We have the Empress in a reverse, and we also have trap in fear in a reverse. The Empress might be upset. Someone in here might be, you know, upset because, you know, you guys are not, you know, unbothered. Yeah, stand your ground. Yeah, someone is, you know, feeling like, you know, feeling some type of way because you guys are unbothered. Let's clarify 4 of Swords. Yeah, 8 of Wands. Yeah, someone wants you guys to put some type of communication to rest, but they might be using, you know, projecting in the card using the universe cards. Look at that. We have Queen of Wands and Queen of Pentacles here. So the Magician is creating some type of burdens. Wow. Okay. So we have Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups, the Emperor. Queen of Wands, King of Wands. Oh my goodness. All these people might be working together to create some type of burdens. Yeah, we have 10 of Pentacles, 5, because someone, you know, whatever, this could be a family or a group of people. Yeah, that's come, you know, because they feel, you know, they feel regret and remorse just to create some type of burdens for you guys. 2 of Wands, they could make a decision. We have 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and you see 2 of Wands. So there's definitely, you know, balance could be restored. Let's clarify intuition. We have 4 of Wands. Let's clarify 4 of Wands, please. We have Queen of Pentacles on a fence. Why is the Queen of Pentacles on a fence? So this person could be trying to hold you guys back, some shape or form here. That's what I'm getting here. Whomever the Queen of Pentacles, by creating, you know, whomever they are, by creating some type of delay. Let's clarify conflicts and defeat. The Devil. The Devil and the Five of Swords is a very negative energy. I felt like, you know, somebody might want some type of revenge. This person might be very revengeful. We have the Devil. Yeah, this is the Five of Swords. Someone could be really revengeful. They could be also very negative. Whomever the Devil is. Clarify the Devil, please. Yeah, they have. Oh, honey. Let's clarify recognition and reward. What is the Lovers? Like I say, whomever this is, yeah, again, you guys need to protect yourself. You know, when it's come to the Lovers, in you know, stand your ground, set up proper boundaries. When it's come to the Lovers, they could be working together here with the Three of Pentacles. Stand your ground. Clarify fertility in the reverse. The Empress want to end something. Want you two guys to end something. Three of Pentacles. So the Empress might be, you know, whomever the Empress here, I feel like they are conflicted, but that's what it say. These people could be working together here, because what I'm getting that Sweetie say, you know, set, you know, proper boundaries when it's come to, you know, whomever this is, you know, the Lovers here that is working together. Stand your ground, you know, when it's come to, you know, and they could also be, you know, standing their ground by working together. That's the energy. Yeah, we have Ace of Pentacles. So you guys, this cards come out, so you guys need to stay, you know, stand your ground, set proper boundaries, because whomever this is, you know, we have Three of Pentacles, we have Death here. So but they are upright over there, which is that, you know, it's the same readings. It's just that, you know, they could be, you know, try to throw a caution in the wind, you know. But I'm feeling here you guys are very, you know, aligned, because this is two of cups here. You guys are very much in alignment with yourself, so which is you got the yin and the yang are pretty much good. Let's clarify base chakra. Page of Pentacles. Feel like you guys need to be practical when it's come to, you know, someone might want to give you guys some type of gifts here, but I'm not getting, you know, yeah, this is just someone could have been trying to trap you guys by giving you guys some type of gifts. But I felt like you guys passed some type of lesson by saying no. Because whatever if someone is trying to give you guys some type of gifts, if someone is trying to give you guys any type of gifts here, you know, you know what, I'm definitely someone might also want some type of gifts from you guys also. You know, this is a trap, okay? Don't fall into a trap. If anyone tried to give you guys something, you know, it's a trap. Someone tried to trap you guys with the Eight of Swords, but you guys are using your intuition about it, okay? Clarify the universe, please. We have Fool in the reverse. I know the universe don't make no mistake. We have Fool in the fence. Let's clarify Fool in the fence. I know the universe don't make mistakes. Someone is yeah, Two of Swords. Yeah, someone is using that. They maybe say that, okay, it's like a projection kind of. Let's clarify Two of Swords. What is it that we don't see? Yeah. Someone wanted to create some type of painful ending for you guys, but I felt like, you know, whatever the swords they put for you and stuff like that, you guys dodged a bullet. Because you guys didn't see, someone was trying to create some type of painful ending, but it didn't happen. Spiritual strength, you guys using your intuition. Okay. Someone wants you guys to juggle, but I feel like you guys are not. King of Wands. Clarify the King of Wands, please. Your High Priestess in a reverse. Some type of secrets come out when it's come. What is the High Priestess in a reverse? So the King of Wands could have been working with some, you know, with some people here. We have Three of Cups. Maybe the King of Wands was ready to celebrate something. What is the Three of Cups? So Page of Swords is an offense. Here's the Page of Swords. The Star. We have Aquarius energy. But I feel like someone in here, whomever these three, you know, whomever these three people, they could have making up some type of story here. What is the Star? We have Eight of Cups. Wow. someone could have come told you guys. This person could be whomever this is. I feel like someone in here is not being whomever this star is. This person could be a star. There could be anything. This person could be a performer. A performer. Whomever this is and stuff like that, this person could come towards you guys to spying on you, you know, and pretending that they are your friends. I'm getting this is someone that pretend that they are your friends. I don't think this person knows you guys because they are all coming in the reverse. Page of Swords, the Star. So someone could be manipulating some type of something here. This is someone that's come towards you guys, but they really wishy-washy. So someone could say they are your friend, they are not. Okay, someone could say they know you too. Yeah, yeah. See, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Wands. This person could block from you because yeah, this is not someone you guys know. My goodness, this is someone that is secretly. This person could be coming. You know, they could look at that. We have the Chariot, Two of Cups, the Moon, Seven of Wands. This is someone that's coming towards you guys. This person might be even, you know, they're coming towards you guys in secrets, don't even know here, try to block you by, you know, by taking something here with the Two of Cups. You know, you guys might not even know this person. Somebody here is coming, they could be coming towards you guys, you know, getting their car, coming in secrets to giving, receiving, but they're not giving and receiving with you, they're taking. Okay, somebody is taking from you secretly, but they are black with the Six of Pentacles. Whatever this person want to take from you guys, it could be have something to do with money. Two of Cups is has something to do with, you know, whatever you guys using. It could be for some of you, could be your gifts. It could be, you know, your energies, where you use whatever you use for your gifts, your intuition, you know, whatever you use as a gift here. Someone is, you know, someone is secretly trying to take it from you. The Hanged One and the Devil want to sacrifice you guys. Wow. Okay then. So yeah, they are this person, because somebody here feeling defeated, so this person want, you know, to sacrifice you guys some shape or form. We have King of Pentacles in the reverse, and we also have the Devil here. So if this is not a Capricorn, this is someone that works with the Devil. You know, someone here, excuse me, intention want to sacrifice you guys some shape or form. Okay. We have Capricorn energy. Wow. I'm telling you, there is, you know, you guys have some people, you guys get injustice anyway, but there's someone that's want to, you know, that's definitely might be assassinate, you know, somebody character, because I feel like you guys might not even know this person, because this is someone that working, somebody is working in secret, taking something from you guys. Then I told you, Six of Pentacles, Ten of Pentacles. Whatever someone take from you, like let's just say Two of Cups, you know, if someone come in and just take energies from you, they sell it and get a lot of money from that. Ah, that's what they say, the thieves in the inheritance. Wow. So we have Justice. Look at that. So you guys are getting justice. We see justice, 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 justice. Can't make that up. Can't make it up. Wow. See the big picture. Number 11 again. So we have 11, 11, 11, 11. Is whatever somebody is taking from you guys, Spirit says see the big picture. Okay, Spirit has a plan, nothing go wasted, so don't feel like, you know, you miss anything. Always make sure that you see your cups overflowing. Okay guys, we have Spirit as your back. Those two cards, you know, come out. We have Spirit got your back. We have time for beginner mind. 12 and 5. This and that are true. You know, I love this card. It's like, you know, That's I felt like, you know, judgment. So there's justice. So we have bring and gentle touch, you know. Someone might be really pissed off a little bit. Yeah. We have clear the clutter. Put an end into, you know, something. And we have be at peace. Yes. We know how the dove is, right? Seahorse, watch and wait. There's always enough. And love is all around you. So guys, that was your reading for today. I love you guys. Bye.